The G10 series micro switch is integrated into dust collectors to control UVC lamps. When the unit's dual handles are pulled down, the switch activates the circuit, initiating the dust collector's operation while powering the UVC lamps for effective disinfection. Engineered for space-constrained applications, the G10 series Subminiature micro switch excels in home appliances with its small and compact size. Featuring exceptional longevity and reliability, its mechanical lifespan exceeds 1 million cycles, significantly enhancing the dust collector's durability and reducing failure rates. If you want to know more details, please click the link below the video to go to our official website or contact us by email. Also, don't forget to subscribe to us to get the latest news of Micro Switch. Thank you.